Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome back to Sharif's Kitchen. Let's see how to make chicken biryani. This Chennai style chicken biryani actually requires very minimal amount of ingredients. We are not going to add any store-bought masala and I'll show you how to do this. Let's add 200 ml of oil to a pan and add 400 grams of onions. That's about 4 to 5 medium-sized onions. For flavors, we're going to add some garam masala, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon, 2 grams each. While this is happening, we're going to also boil some water to cook our rice. Once the onion are completely cooked to almost golden brown, reduce the flame and add some coriander leaves. Saute this for about 10 seconds before you add the mint leaf. This is going to give you some nice flavors and aroma when you actually have the biryani. After about 10 seconds, add the mint leaf and do the same, saute for about 10 seconds. Once this is done, add 1.5 tablespoons of red Kashmiri chili powder to the oil, because we're not going to add any color to this biryani. This is going to infuse color to the biryani. After about 10 seconds, add 100 grams of ginger and 50 grams of garlic paste. It's very important that you measure this. So if you don't have a scale in your kitchen, consider buying a measuring scale. Otherwise, you could use 2 tablespoons of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic. And to that, add 200 grams of yogurt. Once this is well combined, add 400 grams of tomatoes. So 400 grams of onion and 400 grams of tomato for 1 kilo chicken. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of salt. You can always check the salt later. And add in 3 chilies. We have already added 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, so 3 chili is good enough. Cover this and cook it for about 1 minute until the tomato is completely mashed. Once the tomatoes are mashed, add 800 milliliters of water. Now this is required to cook the chicken. We are going to cook the rice separately, so less water is required. Now add in 1 kilogram of chicken, mix it and cover it until it's completely cooked. It will require about 15 minutes to cook, depending on the size of the chicken. Now once the water on the other side is boiling, reduce the flame, add the rice that we have soaked. So I've taken about half a kilo of Basmati rice. Because I'm cooking it at home, I'm taking half a kilo. If you're cooking it for people coming or restaurants, you can actually make it 1 kilo. You need to add salt to this, and the best way to add salt is to taste the water after you add the salt, and the water needs to be salty. It will only require about 3 minutes to boil. You don't have to completely cook it. Cook it until it's half done and strain it in a colander. Hopefully, Uncle Roger doesn't mind. Add the rice to the biryani that's cooking and do not stir it. Just mix it around a little bit so that it doesn't disturb the chicken. What we're looking here is for the rice and the water to be at the same level. If in case the rice is above the water, add a little bit of water from the rice that we boiled. The reason why we use that water is because it already has salt in it. Then close it, keep a weight on top and keep the flame on high for about a minute, and then reduce the flame, cook it for about 15 minutes. Once you see steam coming on from the sides, you can open it, and then your biryani is ready. Flip the top side because it would be a little bit dry. So once you flip it, it should cook within minutes. Then your biryani is ready to serve. You can serve it and enjoy it with your family. That's it. That's how you cook biryani the Chennai style. Try it at home. Give me your feedback. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel. See you soon in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.